can see there's a gap underneath. There's a whole lot of water sitting here. There's definitely water dripping out of there. This plastic pipe is not PVC. That's PVC. If you use PVC glue on this, it just moves around. It's totally loose. So the water's just falling out. We have to disconnect the water, so we installed 2 isolating valves on the hot and the cold line so we can pressurize the main line again. Remove the sink, which is already loose. Clean the silicone and grime from the countertop and from the bottom of the sink so the silicone will stick. Apply a new silicone seal nice and thick, and then smush it all down so there are no gaps all the way around before cutting the excess silicone off nice and neatly.